Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Is your electric boiler acting up? No hot water? Don't panic just yet. Before you call a professional, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps you can take yourself. Today, I'm going to walk you through a 4-step process to diagnose and potentially fix your electric boiler. It's easier than you think. First, and this is the most crucial step for your safety, turn off the power to your boiler. Go to your home's main fuse box or circuit breaker panel. Find the switch that controls the boiler and flick it to the off position. Double-check that the power is completely disconnected. Never, ever work on an electrical appliance while it's connected to a power source. Safety first, always. Step 2 is to check the thermostat. It might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how often this is the culprit. Make sure your thermostat is set to a temperature high enough to call for heat. Sometimes, the settings can get accidentally changed. Also, if your thermostat is battery-powered, check if the batteries need replacing. A dead battery means no signal to the boiler, and therefore, no hot water. Alright, step 3. Let's check the pressure. Most electric boilers have a pressure gauge on the front panel. It usually has green and red zones. You want the needle to be in the green zone, typically between 1 and 1.5 bars when the system is called. If the pressure is too low, the boiler won't fire up. You can usually increase the pressure using the filling loop, which is a braided hose under the boiler. Slowly open the valves to let water in until the pressure reaches the correct level. Then close them securely. Our final step, step 4, is the reset button. Many electric boilers have a safety feature that trips if it detects a fault, like overheating or low pressure. Look for a small button, often labeled reset or marked with a flame or power icon. You might need a pen or a small tool to press it. Push the button once and listen. You might hear the boiler click and start to whir back to life. Give it a few minutes to see if it starts heating the water. If you've gone through all 4 of these steps, and your boiler still isn't working, it's time to call in a qualified professional. These initial checks can save you time and money, but more complex issues require an expert. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more home maintenance tips. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.